Hey everybody, this is Royce here with Gauge 3 Designs and I am back with another episode. Today I have this close-up of a stovetop. You have your sink back here, but the main focus is the stovetop equipped with a pull-out drawer, and I added some accessories here. We're going to add Thea Render 2.0 textures. This was done in Revit 2019, exported and imported into SketchUp Pro 2018. So let's get started. Alright, so first let's go ahead and start off with a render with what we already have. And also, yeah, I have it hidden. I actually downloaded, okay, we got some light coming in there. I actually downloaded a bowl of fruit, of oranges. Just quick unhide. Okay, and a pot also. I wanted to see how that looked in a render. I know these materials aren't going to look the way I want them to look until I add the Thea Render 2.0 materials, but let's go ahead and check this out. Wow, okay. And maybe I'll just add the Thea Render glass for the bowl, but man, this looks really good. Someone suggested using these, I found it in 3D Warehouse. I'll leave the link in the description, but let's go ahead and add some Thea Render materials. So first, let's just start with the floor. Curious. Okay. I can work off of this because it can give me a nice modern look. I can do a white marble tile for the countertop. Oh yeah, man, that's really nice. I've never used this one before. All right, so let's just go ahead and add the top. Here we go. Top here. And let's see how that works with the flooring that we have. I may add some light here so we can see it better, but okay. Yeah, I can rock with this. Stainless steel here. I'll go ahead and touch up the stovetop, and actually let's add some material here. Here we go. I've used this before. Nice, nice. Alright, so let's go ahead and hit this cabinet. This should look really good laying atop this black and white wood. Alright, let's see what we got. This here. Just darken this up a little bit. Steel. Like here. Definitely. Let's go ahead and sample. Let's sample this guy here. Stainless steel. And now let's illuminate this just to give it a nice look. As if it's turned on or it's operating. So emitter. Whoops. Alright, let's see what we got going. I think I'm going to need some light to shine down here, but let's see how these materials are looking. So this is what we had so far. I love this floor. Like, this floor is pretty awesome. So you can see where the materials aren't applied. We got something here. We'll shine some light down in this area to give a better reflection. Nice. And look at our emitter here. Okay. Go ahead and add some light. So we'll just go here and tools panel, select our light. Move it down. Nice. That looks really good. Really good. Those oranges look awesome. We didn't have to add any textures there. The floor looks amazing. Stainless steel. Appreciate you watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you're not subscribed. Thanks.